so... Oh, there he is. I'm just gonna come look for you. But you turn out... Oh, sorry. To be here. How thoughtful. Where are you going? Anyway, light switch. Tomorrow. Hi, pumpkin. There it is. There gets the camera. Monkey didn't do it, so you're gonna have to. Where'd you go? There. Sorry, I lost track of the camera. Hello. It's crazy because if I turn the camera, something on my head turns on. He went back right now. I'm gonna go follow him. Me and Robin like to play chase. We're gonna go into the kitchen. Oh.
Sneezy poo cat. What's that, boo?
I don't know. He sneezes.
He does sneeze.
He sneezed in my first episode.
You didn't get it on your
No.
cat, Debbie?
No.
We can always clean it. But.
Yeah. Just recording him walking around.
Huh? What?
I forgot I could forward it.
Oh, that was still the first one?
Anyway. Overhead view. See if we can find monkeys.
It's getting dark early, it seems like now.
I know I was gonna go find
Change this
Robin,
Sunday.
but
Made it all the way to November. What, November to February now?
the birthday smile, as I was gonna say. There he is. Camera, I found you. I came around and found you. Okay. Pumpkin, stop it. No one likes you.
There's corn, there's rice, and there's potatoes.
Where is Monkey? Monkey's the brown one that was in both my episodes. There's Robin. He's been in one of my episodes. Monkey was on the table in my second. She was on that table. And yeah. Anyway, this video has gone 3 minutes. I'm going to try to do all my vlogs, at least of my cats, in 3 minutes, because they do nothing really too hype. I'll try to get a piece of string in there. Just go find Monkey. Anyway, bye-bye.